Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you for a quick how to mix your kick to the bass, so it doesn't interfere with each other that much. So we're just gonna use one EQ today with a short simple video. So first of all, we got this kick right here, and we got the bass. I use Serum, some bass preset I found. Something like this. Alright, so we're gonna construct the drum loop like this. Let's play it. Alright, and so down here we're gonna do something simple, just a few notes. Like that. Alright. So as you can hear right now, the kick really fights with the bass. So in order to prevent that, the first easiest thing to do would be so we're gonna assign each of our instrument to the insert or track or send, the way you want to call it. So, and we're gonna use the bass for this one. So at the beginning, what I usually do, I lower the volume a little bit, just a little bit by your ear. And then I'm gonna try to, like right now, we're gonna just match levels of the kick to levels of the bass, so they're about the same. So let's say, and this one goes to about 8, and we're gonna do the same with the bass. Gonna make it right about here. Alright, so then we go to our favorite FabFilter Pro Q3. It's very good equalizer. I usually use it a lot. So we drop it here to our kick, and then when I go ahead and drop to our bass. Alright, and now we're gonna have them both right here. So on the left we have our kick, on the right we're gonna have our bass. So as you can see right now, the highest point of the bass is around 64 Hertz, and the highest point of our kick is about 67. It's about the same right here, same level. So in order for our kick to go straight and be heard without doing anything else besides just equalization, so all we have to do is just basically lower. So we're gonna lower about 68, around 68 Hertz. So we're gonna make a little dip over here. So from like straight ahead you can hear the difference. Let's see. So this is with our FabFilter Pro enabled on the bass. has more room, it pops up and the bass not going to fight it. There are a lot of different tricks in order to make it pop through. So also what I usually do, I cut like everything below like 30 or 20, like let's say about 25, everything below in our kick in a low cut. Like somebody like this. And right away we can hear the low end of our bass way brighter, like it doesn't fight that much. We still got this good kick, but it doesn't fight that much. The other thing what I would do for kick, let's just do kick for now. So I usually just go and cut a little bit of highs, just a little touch, because usually in the song you gotta have hi-hats here and a lot of stuff going on, so usually you don't need that much. Like if you layer the drums, if you layer the kick, then you're gonna have separate pieces of the kick. You're gonna have like lower end, middle range, and the higher frequencies. And so what you usually do with higher frequencies, you would just like expand their frequencies on sides, so it's like click in the both sides of your speakers. But I'll show you in some different video about that, a little bit more in depth. But here we're just gonna cut just a little bit of our highs from the kick, a little bit from the lows, and also like what I usually prefer, like it's up to you guys, of course, like it's my preference. Like sometimes I just remove a little bit from the center here, and if you want to like this pop, like the click, you just boost a little bit over here. And you can see the kick pop through really easy now. Like let's turn the FabFilter off for a sec. You can hear this mod, and now we turn it on. We can hear the kick going through. The other thing what I usually do, like even though it's like super clean after 1K everything, but I still just to ensure myself, like, cause this bass is basically our like sub bass. It doesn't have any higher frequencies, but sometimes they might leak in, so we're just gonna cut everything on highs right here, just in case. Yeah, and that's pretty much all. This is how you quickly mix kick and bass with just equalizer. In the future videos I'm gonna show you other ways where you can manipulate sound and make certain instrument pop through this through the mix easier and better. This is just a quick tip. If you guys enjoyed, let me know in comments below what other topics would you like me to cover in the future, so I'll do that. And that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.